Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. So in today's video, we are going to start with the Let's Defend challenges as it's a new year and happy new year to all. I thought let's start with something new. So this is what I have for you guys. So let's start with this and we'll start with the beginner challenges. So I hope you guys will enjoy these videos which will be coming later on. So let's start with the challenge. So this is the phishing challenge that we'll be working with. We'll giving the opening for this. As we can see, it's a phishing email and your email address has been leaked and you received an email from the PayPal in German. Try to analyze the suspicious email. It's this is a file path where we can check the file which is in this sandbox. And these are the walkthrough. If you don't find my that informative and not that understanding, you guys can check on these walkthroughs also. So this is a sandbox which we have to connect, and on this sandbox, on this path, we'll find this file and we can look into the file. But these sandbox are like pretty lazy or pretty slow, so I have created a script for myself which gives the RDP and which also has a Linux feature, so you can guys try that too. But to do or work with that, we have to connect with this first. Because if we don't have the IP address, we won't be able to connect with that. So let's shoot this. This will provide us the IP address. So using that, we'll be able to connect with the environment. Let's start this first. There you go. It'll take some time. Till then, we can download the files. Let's go here. We'll cd to Let's Defend. Sorry, clear. Okay, I already have the file here. But if you guys want to download it, it's give me a second. There is a this is a link, or let me show you the repository. If you go on to my repository, you'll find this over here in the Let's Defend VM. It also has a README, so you guys can understand like how this is working and how you have to make it work. Okay, so let's close it and we'll wait for it to start. Till then, we'll shoot the script / there we go. And as the path is in Windows, we'll use the W for Windows. Let's wait, and if it provide us the IP. So I'll pause the video until it gets started. Okay, so our machine has started. We can see we got the environment. We can like access it from here too, but as it's pretty slow, as you guys can see, it's not that responsive. So we'll go to this flag and we'll copy this IP address and paste it here in the script. With that, the username also, and we can see that there is no password. It's blank, so we'll just press the enter, and we need to provide the drive where we will be connecting with it. So this is a C drive. Okay, so we'll press the capital C, enter, and the destination, this is my destination, which I have set it for the default, or like at least it's showing this in the example. It is not a default. So we'll copy this, paste it here, and press enter. Now it will give us the like same RDP connection, and it's there. Okay, nice. We have the RDP connection. Now we'll go to files. If you click on the this PC, you will see we have our C drive connected here with the Kali. So let's drop it here. It will copy the file on our local system. You will see logs getting generated here. Just give me a sec. Give a sec, and it's transferred. Okay, so it's there. We can close this, and let's clear this out. And we see we have the zip file which we just transferred. So let's unzip this. The phishing challenge. It's asking for the password. The password is here, which is infected. Enter, and we got the email. So let's read this email. To read this email, we can use the Thunderbird, or we can cat this file out. It's a PayPal. Okay, so that's pretty distributed information. So let's clear this, and we'll use the Thunderbird, and we'll provide the file name. That's the PayPal. Enter. That should open the software, and we're in. And this is the email, and it's in German, so we can't read it properly. I'm not sure if this has any sort of translation here. doesn't seem there is any sort of translation. So let's start with the questions first. Okay, so it's asking what is the return path of the email. So the return path is basically where it came from. So to check it like in a proper way, we can use this, the message body. It's received by received. Let's expand it a bit. Okay, it's there. Let's see where it come from, the return path. This is the one. So we'll copy this, and this is the path where it came from, and provide it here and submit it. And there we go. We got our first streak. Let's continue. And now it's asking what is the domain name of the URL in this email. Okay, this has any sort of URL. Let's see. Copy the link location, and we'll split the terminal, paste it here. Okay, so this must be the malicious link that they're talking about, and it's asking for the URL. It should be this much only. Let's copy this and provide it here. And with this, we got the second answer. And now it's asking, is the domain mentioned in the previous question suspicious? Okay, we are not sure about that. To check that, I think we can leverage, let's see, we can leverage the tool called VirusTotal. I'm pretty sure that tool can help. So let's go there. So this is the VirusTotal. Let's see what it has offered to us. Or better than this, let's open it in the Brave. So if this has any sort of ads, we don't have to tackle that. Let's open it here, VirusTotal, and we are in. Let's open this URL, paste the URL we got. Okay, let's paste the URL itself. This is the one, and it should be containing the URL in this itself, as it's a button. So it should be either in the -i or the some sort of other link base tag like href, which will refer to somewhere else. And I was correct. This is a -i, and you see here there's a href. So this one contain the I'm not sure if this wrap long lines, and it's not wrapping it. I'm not sure why. So let's copy this whole URL, copy this, and we'll paste it here, and it'll show if this is suspicious or not. Someone might have reported it, and there we go. This is a suspicious one as per the web root, and it's a malicious. Bitdefender and Gdata has marked it as a phishing from the Fortnite and Viper or something, and ESETs. Let's log in on this portal, and we are in this portal. Let's see who has contributed in this. Okay, so this we got the Angel 1937. This guy has, or he, I'm not sure if it's he and she, has pretty big contribution, like 55 reports. Okay, we have another one, Sperry. This guy has made like 41 contributions, and there's 111. Okay, so there isn't any other person who has made this large contribution, the two of them. But yeah, we got to know that it's a suspicious, so we can mark it as a suspicious. Yes, it is. We have verified it. That's why we are marking it as a suspicious. If there wasn't any sort of proof or something, we wouldn't have it otherwise. Okay, what is the body SHA-256 to the domain? To get this, we can check it in the details because this has already been reported. And you see the HTTP response here. This contains the URL where it's coming from, the IP address of it. Let's go back. Okay, there we go. This has the status code. This has the baud length, and this is a hash it's asking for, I believe. Let's try and provide it. Okay, wrong answer. I hope I'm submitting it right. Correct. Let's try refresh again. Copy this, paste it here, submit. Your answer you have already sent this answer? What do you mean? Is there any sort of glitch? Okay, that's weird. I'm not sure if we can find it in here though. Let's check. SHA-256 highlight. We do have 2 SHA related entries, but I don't think that it is what we are looking for. And the last answer, is this email a phishing email? Well, as it's marked over here on this VirusTotal, it's a phishing. Tool has identified it, so we can go with the yes. And for the last answer, we are stuck. Let's try and provide the link again. I'm not sure if the link has been messed up or something. This is a link. We'll copy this and provide it again. Go here, copy this, paste it here, submit. Okay, that's weird. We need to provide the domain SHA-256, I guess. Let's see. Is it asking for this SHA? And yes, I was correct. Okay, with this, we have done the first challenge, which is a phishing analyzer, and we got the badge also. Show me, and there we go, we have completed it. And that's it for this. This has told us like how we can analyze the emails. So if you guys didn't understand anything and there is any sort of doubt, please don't forget to reach out to me. I'll be there in the comments so I can answer your questions. Don't forget to like the video if you understood what I have shared so far, and do share it with others so they can understand it too. And if there's any place that you feel like that I need to improve, please do drop that in comment too. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye. Thanks for your time.